Louis de Broglie lived from 1892 to 1987. He was a French physicist who won a Nobel Prize in 1929 in physics for developing the wave mechanics theory.
Erwin Schrödinger lived from 1887 to 1961. He is an Austrian physicist who won a Nobel Prize for discovering new productive forms of atomic theory in 1933.
Werner Heisenberg lived from 1901 to 1976. He is a German physicist and philosopher who won a Nobel Prize in 1932 for physics. He is best known for his discovery for his philosophy in the uncertainty principle.
We know the basic properties of the subatomic particles, but we do not know how or where the elements travel within the atom. Within his career, he created the uncertainty principle in 1927 that described how electrons do not travel in neat orbits according to Bohr's model. By including mathematics, the first version of quantum mechanics, Albert Einstein's theory of relativity said that all things in motion must be defined relative to a frame of reference, including space and time, rather than the absolute concepts. It consists of two principal parts in relation to quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics demonstrates the momentum and position of an electron without physical determination. Quantum mechanics is the explanation of things at high speeds using mathematical explanation and qualitative understanding.
Louis de Broglie created the wave mechanical model in 1929 that showed his thoughts on how electrons moved around the nucleus. Niels Bohr, another physicist who previously predicted the movements of electrons, believed that electrons moved around the nucleus the way that planets orbited around the sun, in a circle. De Broglie believed that electrons with the properties of a wave offered an explanation for their restricted motion. These electrons are thought to be located in orbitals in the electron cloud. This model, however, does not show the definitive movement of an electron. It is just a prediction. We do know that Niels Bohr's model is incorrect. De Broglie's model of wave mechanics transformed the knowledge of the human mind.
Then Erwin Schrödinger decided to form a wave equation to accurately calculate energy levels of electrons in atoms. His equation was inspired by Louis de Broglie's theory of wave mechanics in 1924. This equation describes quantum mechanical behavior, and it allows us to find the probability of an electron to be in a certain position. Through his equation, Schrödinger was able to find out that electrons move in an indefinite, uncertain, and non-uniform way, but they stayed in an area called electron clouds. With this information, he modified Bohr's model and created the electron cloud model. Louis de Broglie contributed the wave mechanical model and developed the wave mechanics theory. Erwin Schrödinger contributed the Schrödinger equation and electron cloud model. Werner Heisenberg contributed to the uncertainty principle.